Yahoo! In the name of who? In the name of God, I'm going to record another video for you guys for Bitcoin. Today is Sunday. I'll show you the date and the time. 10:24 a.m. Sunday, which is 17th of the October. I look to the chart and I find a two level for you guys to buying zone and selling zone. This is the chart. Disregard this one because this is from yesterday. If you remember, we did a trade yesterday. I show you. We did a trade yesterday and we made a video already. And this two line you just disregarded. Let me actually delete them to not get confused, because this level done. Okay, now we have let me close it. Now we have two level. One is buying zone, this green line, and one is actually a selling zone. This is from the level. This is actually very strong resistance in the past in 15 minutes time frame here. This is the one. This one. Let me actually delete all these lines. So actually I need them because if we hit them we have to know where we are. Anyway, I'll go back again to 1 minute chart. As you can see, we have two levels. What's this? Okay, we have two levels. One is selling zone and one is buying zone. Okay, at the moment the price is here, the market is here. As you can see, is live chart. Again, I can show you this is live chart. And the chart time is 2:26 because it's in 1 minute Bitcoin. And as you can see, Australia is 10:26 a.m. Sunday morning. So if the price goes above this selling zone, then we sell the market. At this area we are not interested to do anything because it's not in the selling zone, it's not in the buying zone. If price come down and come into the selling buying zone, which is this area, remember I have said this one in previous video many times. I repeat myself again and again. I'm sorry if I do that. When you are in the buying zone, you have two chances to buy the product, whatever it is. Now it's Bitcoin. In this area, when the software give you go ahead to buy, this is your first level of the taking profit, and this is your second taking profit. If you missed out or for some reason, and if the price goes above here, there is one chance only to dive back and sell the market here to this line. Okay, and this is for the buying. So if the market goes above this red line to red line, then in this area is a selling zone. So market, when you get the confirmation to sell, we dive to this level, first taking profit, second taking profit. If it goes under here, we have one chance to buy again to this level. Okay, now the price is reaching, going up towards the selling zone. I have no idea how long it's going to take to this coming to this area, but it's a 1 minute chart. And I paused the video. Please understand this. Yesterday when I did that, I had to actually shrink the video. I had to edit the video, the first one, for the 1 minute chart, because I couldn't babysitting the chart, and I had to cut and to make it short video for you guys, because I know many people they would avoid to watch that when it's a long video when they see the time. So this time, if I actually make this video again, I'm going to short it, I'm going to shrink it, and first to make a small file to upload for the YouTube. Second, it would be short video for you guys, and then you can watch it. And then for the second part, I'll make another video and I explain to you guys what I did and what do I mean by these orders that we go through and things like that. So as you know, this moving average, I just put it only to show me where we are. At the moment we are in the above the 60 moving average, and buyers are strong, not very strong because it's close to the 60 moving average, but our system is this, the pilot fish system. We are actually going to follow the shark. Shark is market makers, big guys. When they go up, we go up with them. We make money. When they come down, we come down with them when diving. So this is the way we do actually trading. But this, we need confirmation from our software to do that. Sometimes we are late, sometimes we are early, so we have to wait to get the confirmation. All this pattern has been done before, and we actually collect all those patterns which merge with support and resistance, and then we put it in the software. My friend, my partner, he did that. He did a very good job, and he come up with a unique idea, as I have said to you before. So we get a signal. So we put that signal, hopefully in future, on our Telegram group, and then you can try it on your demo account. I stop talking because I'm repeating again. I'm going to pause the video. When we get to this area or this area, I come back and I double check the things, for the entry point. So I pause the video and I come back to you guys. I come back to show you one pattern that I always look for it, because as I have said to you before, we find a level. When we find a level, is 50% of the way is clear to trade. The second, we look for that level when market react to that level and retest it. When retested, then we make the line for breathing of the market. What do I mean with this? Okay. Still we haven't reached to this selling area or this buying area yet. We are here. As you can see, this is the pattern. Keep talking about pattern for many time, and you might say to me, what pattern I'm talking? There are so many patterns that we put those patterns to the program. One of the pattern is this. I find this level of the selling zone for the future. Okay, as you can see, market coming through our level, rebounds back again, retested. Okay, when you look at this, when you put your cursor here and this line, let me actually put it in different colors so you can see it yourself. This is one pattern that I always use. You see this level, when market come and bounce back again and retest our level for the future, it's very important level. Can you see market come down, then come back? This is the time for breathing. That's this time. That's the one where I always say market wants to breathe. So we breathe with the market. We just dive back, and then goes back, dive back again, and finally break it up. So again, in the future, can you see please? Even it break up, retest it again. All right. So we look for the level and we find where the level actually has been retested. Please refer to this one. Look, market went up, passed through this first one, again touching the selling zone, and market breathe, dive back, touch this level. So this level is very important because this level has been actually retest. So that is the why, sometimes I show you, I find a level. So this is one of the pattern of many patterns that we actually look to it. So I delete this. So I come back to you guys again to see what's happened. Still we are between the two level, selling zone, buying zone. And if this video gets long again, 2 hours, 3 hours, don't worry, I'm going to shrink it, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to cut it to the short video so you don't get frightened to sit down and for 2 hours or 1 hour to listen to my voice. So I would shrink it and then upload it on the YouTube. I pause the video and come back. I just remember something. Someone actually mentioned this to me, and they told me I'm using demo account. First of all, if I want to show you this is real account, okay, it's not a demo account. The reason I don't show above my account is demo or real, because there is my account number over there, and I have no idea who's going to look at that the account number and what they can do to it. And that's why, you know, I'm not very good in the computer. I don't want to take the risk because there are so many hackers, so they can actually take your account number. I don't know what they do. Maybe can, they cannot. I don't have no idea. I don't want to do show. But when the person actually mentioned on the email to me that I'm using demo account, is not real account. But please guys, understand this. It doesn't matter demo account or live account. As long as it's a live chart, that is the important. If you have a demo account, you're showing to the people in the live chart is same as real account. The only difference is that if you have a standard account, which brokers take the commission from you with the asking price and bidding price, which now for the Bitcoin is very low, it's almost same spot, but sometimes these two lines are apart, so it's expensive. So live or demo is not important. The system and the live chart trade is important. We are not offline to show you guys what we're doing. This is live chart. Doesn't matter demo or real. This is real account. I'm not lying to you. But I cannot go up and show the account because then my account would be obvious and people can see it, and I don't know if someone hacked my account, then I don't want a problem with the brokers and bank and blah blah blah. Anyway, the reason I said that to you guys is this. We trade on the live chart. We are not offline. We are not going to cherry pick some pattern and telling people this pattern works. So we are doing it on live chart and show you what we're doing. We are not 100%. No one can say they are 100%. The system works in very good ratio. So if someone come to you and they say they have a system works 100%, politely just turn back and just go away, because those people are unfortunately con company. They're trying to actually cheat you, take your money. First, we are not charging you for any educational that we put it online, and this is just free of the charge. We are not charging you for the membership. We are not asking you for email. We are not asking you to like or dislike or subscribe on the YouTube channel, because we don't make money from affiliate marketing or introducing some brokers and things like that. We are trading. We trade, we make money with our system, and we decide to put it online. That is the only way that we can communicate with you guys and show you guys what we're doing. We put a signal on the Telegram group, and if you like to follow up as a demo account and learn how to do it, then you do it. There is no obligation, there is no force, there is no credit card payment, there is no membership payment, there is no selling CD, nothing. I know it sounds silly, and so why we do this? We're trying to help you guys, because if you could do it, you can do it too. It's no problem. It's not magic. It's not. But you have to learn one system. You stick with that system and try and try and try. Then you become master of that system. Every system people they teach on the YouTube channel for the forex trading, it works. I don't have any against anything of those company. Those company, they make money from educational CD program, membership, selling signal and things like that. That's the way they do business. It's not my business to do this. It's their business, and they are happy to do that. Good luck to them. But we do this free of the charge in the name of who? We try to help you guys. So in the name of who, which is in the name of God, God would help us to pick up a very good trade and make money, our own money. So I post this video and I come back. Still, we are in the area that we did not go above the selling zone or buying zone. To be honest, I don't know, God knows how long it's going to take, but I post the video and I come back to you guys. I'm trying in the meantime with my partner, we are trying to actually make a logo for YouTube channel that we have, change everything, because again, we want to have everything in our own, so no one can actually copy and claim that about the copyright. So we do everything. We are two person as a team. My friend, my partner, he's a computer programmer, and he does all the programming and all this making, the picture of video I put on the YouTube channel. He has actually make it himself with his own pattern and his software, so no one would claim that this is ours, and we don't want problems. Sorry. I'll pause the video and I'll come back to you guys. Now we are entering to the selling zone area. Still we are not going to sell, but believe it or not, when market would dive back, it would dive around, let me tell you where it goes, come back. Most probably market would come to touch this area, if it wants to come back, to breathe, dive back. If it goes above here, at the moment I don't have any signal for the selling, but our aim is this. We wait for the price to go to the selling zone, and when the software gives us the go ahead to sell, we sell to this line first, second line, and if the price come here, there is one chance to buy only to this line. At the moment I don't have any signal yet, and I'm not going to do anything, because this is the rule. You have to stick with your rule. We sell in this area, we buy in this area. Now market would breathe. Market definitely, market goes up, come down, up, breathe, dive, breathe, dive. So now it hit this level, which is our selling zone, and then market would go probably, if dive back, if it doesn't go through, and then it would come back to this area, around this area, touch, go up again, because this area has been left. There are so many pending order from the before, so it has to be actually taken, because as you can see up to here, so there is nothing here, so market has to come and retest it again. So I pause the video and I come back, see what's gonna happen. I was looking at the past, so I put this white color, let me change it to black, maybe better for you guys to see it. I put this black line, this is very strong resistance. If market come to this area, most probably around this area would be struggling and wants to breathe and then dive back to this area. At the moment is trying to break up this level of selling zone, and if cannot break it, it would come back to this area, retest it again, get the power and go up again. And if it doesn't have a power, and if the sellers are winner, market would come to this area, then we can buy it in this area. So there is two action we are waiting, buy and sell. At the moment is trying to break this strong level to go through it, not yet. So I pause the video because I talk too much and repeat myself, and I don't want you to get bored. And market did not have power, the buyers didn't have power to break up this level a strong level, and is heading back again to this area to retest and get more power to buy it again. When I'm talking about this, because the market maker are actually, they know where is your stop loss, where is all the pending, they're trying to collect everything, and then so we went up here, and if you rewind the video that I took just 10 minutes ago, I think I said to you guys that in this area, if market cannot break through, it would come and retest again this area. It has to come retest this area, and after that there is two possibilities. Most probably, if it cannot break it up and no power comes to this area, we buy it. If you go back again, goes over here on this line, there is a chance to sell it to this area. So I pause the video and I'll come back to you guys. Sorry, I repeat again something again and again. I'm going to say something. We are not actually after the individual candlestick pattern. We are after combination of the level, combination of the candlestick pattern together. Individual, it does not work for us. Many traders, they're looking only for the individual candlestick. No, we find the individual candlestick not always correct. There is time that it works, but not always. So combination of the different candlestick pattern makes the pattern for us for the level. We were here, and as I said to you before, we're gonna dive. If I put the order, we dive with the market maker, we could make money. And we are about to go into around this area to retest. So imagine if in this area you put the order, you are in the profit. Why I didn't put the order? Because you have to stick with your rule. You cannot just break the rule, come back to the rule, break the rule. Then you get confused. This is not trading. You have one rule, one setup, one system, you follow that. Practice that over and over, okay? So our rule says this: in the buying zone we buy, in the selling zone we sell. So although I knew market is going to dive, but I didn't put the order for you guys but I said to you, please rewind the video and see it. 10 minutes ago what I said to you, I said if it doesn't break, it would come and retest this area, which is trying to retest now. So I paused the video to come back again. As you have noticed in our YouTube channel and also Telegram channel, we don't put we disable the comment area, and we don't have time to answer people. You know, some people they put rude comment, or some people they give us positive comment and things like that. I have to go read them. My partner has to go read all those comments and reply. We are not in affiliate marketing, so we don't want people to give us thumbs up or thumbs down. We are not after all this. We are after educating people, not saying educating, just passing the experience that we have to the people to learn how they do trade. Look, actually, what did I say to you in this area? I said market would come and retest this, and now it is. So I post the video. Hopefully, if they come here and pass through here in this buying zone, we buy it. If not, if it takes long, I might stop the video because it gets too long. But I prove it to you guys that system we have, it works. Although I didn't put any order because, as I said to you, because we were not in the area we have to do it. But we knew market is going to breed, market is going to dive, and it dive. Where to? We knew exactly it's going to be around this area. Not because it's resistance, not because it's support. It's a pattern. It's a combination of the pattern here, candlestick pattern, to make one big pattern. Okay, I pause the video and I'll come back. Okay guys, I went through the chart in the past, and my forecast is this. If market passed this two line, when it comes to this area, the 60, 27, 60, 88, this level, this price, there's a possibility that market would bounce back, and we can buy it to this first, second buy, and if it goes above, sell. So I put the arrow here. Let me put the arrow. Where is the arrow here? So we put in this arrow in advance. Around this area, I'm not saying 100%, but please don't get me wrong, maybe it comes a little bit down and then it would go back up, because this is the time for buying. So market is struggling at the moment to pass through this buying zone. If they are successful, if the price successful pass through here and it comes around this area, bounce back, take profit, we get out of the market. If you are greedy, second profit, and then you get out of the market. You're not going to buy again this area. When you go to this area, if you get a chance, if the software give us the go ahead, we dive to this area. Sorry, I have to answer the phone. I'll come back to you guys. Sorry. Now back again. If you remember Saturday, yesterday, when I was trying to do the video for the Bitcoin in 1 minute, when we had an order, I mentioned about Ethereum, and for the second part of that video again I mentioned about Ethereum. Please go, if you have time, watch that part 2 that this morning on Sunday I make it, and quickly I put it uploaded on the video on the YouTube. When we go to the Ethereum, okay guys, yesterday we were talking about, I think I was, let me find it, where we talking yesterday. Yes, this I actually I marked it this morning just to show you. Yesterday we were here and we made a video and I said to you, this is the buying zone, market come under here, we buy, okay? And I'm talking about the level. Level is very important. How you find a good level, it's very important. You see guys, market come to this level, bounce up again. This level is very good. We buy it under here. So nothing happened yesterday, and this morning when market opened, gap. It come under it, although you know it was too low to buy or something. We just want to show you the software and the system we work, it works. So we buying zone, we were in the buying zone, we buy to these two level, and on the top, as you can see, once we can sell it to this area, we sell. Let's see what happened today. Please watch. You know, market come, we are in the buying zone. In this area, we probably had a signal to buy, which I missed out. And market went above the buying zone. As you can see, we are above, okay? Come and touch. Although it went down, but this is enough for us because on the buying zone, we just sell once, okay? And look at the, so far, Ethereum. Please look, market come here. So probably, let me check other company if you had a signal on the Ethereum to buy, which I missed out already, I think. Let me check it. That we had no, I didn't have any in this area. I didn't have any signal to buy it. But anyway, market went up to the area, touch it second, and then went above, and then again to this area. You could buy it, sell it from here to here. So as I have said to you before, the level is very important. It is the level we find, and it works over and over. You see. So we back to the Bitcoin just to see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin comes to the, again, look at this level of the buying zone that we find. How many times respect this area? Look, once, twice, 2, 3, it's 4 times. It's strong. I know it's strong, we could buy, but the system we have is pilot fish. We go on the breeding. We go up with the market, make money, we come down. We are not support and resistance trader. We are with the sharp, we go up and down and make money. So I stop. I post this video. I don't know. Although I haven't put any ordering, but the forecast we did in this area, we could sell it, and the market came, and we told, you know, come here. It did come. I don't know if I wait again. Maybe it takes 2-3 hours to reach to this area to sell or to buy. I have to go. Let me look at the time. Just 1 second, please. I pause and I come back and I tell you what I'm going to do. Okay, guys. I'm going actually to, let me just clear the chart to not get confused. This black line is from yesterday trade that we did yesterday. Let me actually delete that. Let me double check. Yes, this is the area we actually enter because we were going to touch this area and we did. Okay, I'll just clear it up. Let us delete this. I'll leave this line because this one was strong resistance on the 15 minutes time frame, I think was that. Let me see. Yes, it was. This is very strong resistance. You can see, you know, this big candlestick. Anyway, I'll leave that one on. We go to the chart. Okay. What we have here is this. Hopefully, if the market can break up through this selling zone, it comes to this area, there is a possibility that market would bank retest this area, diving first, second, if we can actually go through it. Because as you can see, the level we find for the selling zone, same as the buying zone, it's very strong. Please guys, just to see, comes here, bang, retest, comes here, bang, retest again, you know, retest both selling zone and buying zone. This is selling zone, this is buying zone. So I don't know how long it would take. Again, I pause the video and come back to you guys. We are again reached to the area of this strong level, market trying to break it through. As you can see, it's bouncing again. I don't know if I have to continue this video because we are actually going through this channel of up and down. It just look like ranging now between our buying zone and selling zone. It's just ranging, and this video is getting too long again, unfortunately. Let me pause the video, just see what's gonna happen. I come back. Market is ranging because Saturday, Sunday there is not big volume in the market, so market is very calm and smooth. That's why, you know, it's ranging between our two level of buying and level of selling. Therefore, you know, maybe in 10 minutes, maybe in 4 hours, I have no idea. We go above or we go under, and then we're gonna have a trade. At the moment, we didn't have any trade, unfortunately, to show you guys live on chart. But we had some forecasts. As you remember, in this area, we said that market would breed and dive to this area, which it did. So if we classify as one trade, which just is a imagination trade, so that I always, you know, you can actually look at it as a trade, but we don't trade on this area because we have a rule, as I said to you before. I'll probably stop this video and I will wait next time and I come back later on today. If market went above and then I was right, then I can make another video. Even if I wasn't right, and for example market went here and never come back and something like that, but still I'll make a video for you guys that to show you I'm not 100% perfect. I don't claim that we are 100% accurate in the trading. We are just trying to minimize our loss, and we try to find a good level to buy in the system of the pilot fish system that my friend here actually developed. So it's touching the level again. I feel like to actually wait, but it would take a long time. Believe it or not, in same time my friend, my partner and we are making the logo. We are updating our YouTube channel, Instagram and things like that. That's why you can hear this noise. We are communicating with each other through the mobile and sending all those things. He's trying to work hard and making all those logos. God bless him. He's a very nice guy and he's a smart guy and he's very good. I'm very fortunate that I have this friend. So I pause this video, I'll come back to you again. Finally we get into the selling zone. As you can see, market went through, but market would break around this area, would bounce back again, retest, and then if hopefully goes to this area, this is the time we have to put a seatbelt on for the trading and trade and sell to this level and this level hopefully. So market is going to touch this area, most probably would bounce. Wait to see. Might have to come back and retest here because he's breathing, Let me watch. We watching together, okay? Please look at the time now. It's 12:33 p.m. in Sydney, Australia, Sunday, okay? This is not fake. This is not something that people they think we're trying to make it up. No. You are watching. As I have said to you before, in this level, I'm going to actually ready for sale. I put one contract. I put 0.10 point. And if we touch the area, let's see. If I find this level in pass. If the software give us the go ahead, if we touch here, if the software give us the go ahead, we sell it to this level. If not, we will wait around this area for the software to give us the permission to sell. Okay, as I have said to you, when touch here, we might come breathing again, diving, retest here. So we watch together for a couple of minutes. If it didn't happen, I pause the video. Don't forget, this is 1 minute chart, so every candlestick takes 1 minute. So you can see the time on that candlestick, how much time left for this candlestick to become mature. if market try for breeding, most probably around this area, it would bounce for diving, come into this area around this candlestick, which is about 429. So rebounds and touch, go up. If cannot break through here, it comes and touch this area and come around, maybe pass through it and this area, and then hopefully it will go up again, make us ready for the selling. Just to see, let me pause because it's just going, because all this shadow telling us sellers and buyers are fighting, and it might go to the range again to this area. So I pause the video and come back to you. As you can see, I said before, in this area market wood breeding is diving to this area. It might pass and goes around. Let me show you where it might go. We call the breeding area. So most probably to this area, 6107147. Even if it might pass this area too, because market need to come diving and then get power, go up again if it wants to go up. If it goes here, then we start doing the trading. There is another way actually we can trade too, because in this area, if I had a go ahead to sell, I would sell it to this only. If the software give me signal to sell, software did not give me any go ahead to sell it, so that's why I didn't sell. But you can sell with this risk, because this is the strong level. You can put your stop loss above here and then sell it, and just say how much. For example, from here to here is about 1.0595 is 105. So it's almost 1 to 2 ratio. So it's up to you. But again, this is only 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, you don't make too much pip on this. If you want to make good pip, you go on the 15-minute time frame. If you don't have time, you go on the 4 hours, so you don't have to watch the 24 hours. So every 4 hours you come and check the candlestick, or you can go on the 8 hours, a daily, or 20 minutes, or 15 minutes, any time frame, doesn't matter. So guys, I pause the video and I come back to you, so see what's gonna happen. As you remember, in the beginning of this video, I find this level after selling. I said if we go to the selling area, this is a strong impasse, is a resistance. So this resistance might again be respected. So that's why I put this arrow. So I just move this arrow, just we go with the market. We put it here. If we go above, then in this area, if the software give us the signal, we we sell to this level and this level. Myself, in the real big time frame, I get out this. I'm not greedy person, but this is selling area. There's a chance come here and goes under. If you miss all this, then there is a chance for you only to buy. If you get a signal to buy, then you buy to this level. Okay, we pause. Let me see, maybe it's going through. Let's see if it goes through or not. I pause the video and come back. Please look at the time in Sydney now. Is 12:50 p.m. okay, after midday. The forecast we had for this, we said market would bounce around this area. Let me tell you exactly, not exactly, but how far market need to breed. Most probably around this area would come down. 6104754 close by to this area, and then market would probably bounce up again. So market need to break. The reason I'm saying this, market trading is like swimming in the sea. So if you don't know how to swim, the chance you're going to drown, it would be 95%. But if you know how to swim, then you can actually have a chance to survive. It's exactly similar with trading. When you don't know how to trade, 95% you're going to lose your account. But when you know how to trade, even in one system, and you're perfect, it look like that, you know one style in the swimming, and you use that style in swimming, and you become very good at it. So no matter what the style, you know. So that is how you look at the trade. So we were here. If you put this selling, and we are aiming to here. Okay, we are almost touching, right? But my forecast, I would say probably come back past this, even this, to this area, then we'll pass. Already, you know, if you imagine this time frame was 1 hour, and from here you put a sell order to here, you should get out, you know. You make a couple of hundred with big contract, then you get out. You don't have to come here. You don't be greedy in the market. Whatever market gives you, say thank you, thanks God. Today is my money for today, you know, my payment, and get out, you know, and look for another trade. Wait for another trade, because when you're watching too much the chart, you become hypnotized, and then you get confused, and then you make a wrong decision. If I was in the 1 hour or 4 hours or something in this area, I would not wait for this. I would close it here, because it's enough, you know. So anyway, I pause the video and I'll come back to you guys. Now we passed through, as you can see. We touched the level, and what did I say to you guys? I said come into this area probably. Let me put a. So market still need to breathe. Dive more to this area, and then most probably here. I'm looking in this area, and I'm looking for the combination of the actually candlestick pattern, not only doji one or big candlestick signal. So we have a pattern that we identified before. So let's wait. I post the video again for you guys, and I have to shrink this file again. I'm sorry, I need to actually edit it. Maybe some of the things I said on this would be edited, or I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I just leave as it is, and then make second video part 2 and explain it in short video. So whoever does not like to sit down and listen to my nonsense talk, then you can go on the short video and just to see what we did. Okay. My head was down. I look back again to the chart. So I pause the video and come back to you guys. Listen guys, I'm gonna put a level here. Yeah. If you touch here, I close this video because although I didn't put any order, but I said what I have to say and show you the system it works. I don't have to prove, because you can go and watch all other 16. Oh, look, it's touching. You can watch all those 16 videos that I live trade I did, and I don't want to make this video so long. So as I said to you guys, this one come in and pass through. Even here and around this area, we probably pass. Look, when I'm talking about it, look like market is listening to me. So in the name of who I stop this video, and I actually gonna upload it very quickly. Look at the time here, please. in Sydney. Probably in 5 minutes, 10 minutes I uploaded, so nobody can actually claim that was a fake. Okay, and I put it on the YouTube. You can watch it whole lot again. So in the name of God and in the name of who, I stop this video. Thanks God. Thank you for you guys to watching. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. Please look after yourself and your family as always I said, and I hope I catch up with you again another time. This video I'm going to stop it now. I'm not going to pause, and we will see you again another video hopefully sometimes today. If not, if I don't have time to make it, just this is only educational and information only for showing you how to trade. I uploaded this one on the YouTube and Telegram. You can watch it again whenever you like to feel it and feel like to watch it and see it. So thanks God, Yahoo, in the name of who, I going to close this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.